that old person, I'm doing a wheelie. I've been just sick, like on and off. Either needs to stop or I just need to hurry up and die. I gotta go do it, man. I need to put, you know, like, I don't know how to word. Let me just point at things. This one, no worky. It does work, it just has some issues. You have to tape the SD card down. Not get the audio to sound good. And if you review one of those cameras, it like opens this floodgate. Now all I get is emails from people like, we want you to review our camera. There's like a bazillion GoPro knockoffs. I like the B camera, and you guys have been whining so much since I haven't been doing B camera anymore. Actually, no one's ever said anything. I might just go to like a Best Buy or something. I think I might just look at like a GoPro session or something. Then I gotta go run and do another errand, and that one might be kind of interesting. I don't know how much I can show you from that, because that's for something, it's another project that's down the road and the lights turn off, and you don't get to know about that yet. I will have a new project in here. Speaking of other projects, I think I'm gonna sell this one here pretty soon. I've liked the WR. It's been a fun bike. I've got another project that's not going to be a supermoto. Move on from those things, I think. Then we'll get a new bike. I was gonna make an official video and like put it for sale. Maybe I'll do it at some point, but I mean, if you're interested, email me. Both rims about 5-ish. There's nothing majorly wrong with it. Like if somebody wants to buy it, I'll tell them everything. Like I'm not, you know. The funny thing is when people find out like this bike, or like my old Grom keeps getting passed around, right? And I was talking to the new guy that bought it. I think they get kind of nervous when they find out I used to own it, because like, oh, we've seen the videos of all the crazy stuff you did on it. The only difference between me and everybody else with those bikes is that what I did was documented. These are toys. Everybody treats them like toys, you know. That is what it is, man. And I mean, then for these things, they're built for it. Nobody with a street legal supermoto WR is out there babying the thing, you know. They're bikes to be ridden. But you know, realistically, I check the valves every winter, and I keep clean oil in it. And every time I mention something like about looking at new supermoto, people just seem to dead peg it in the comments, and they seem to know exactly what it is I want to do. What else do I need to do? This beard is out of control. Look at this thing. Look at this ridiculous beard. So I need to get that, and I need to get a haircut. I'm dying, dude. What do I do? I think I'm gonna jump on the FZ machine, because this is a lot of running around, and I don't think I've ridden this thing in like a month. She's a good looking back. Oh. Dang, that's like horsepower, yo.
When I go driving, I stay in my lane. Got that Offspring song stuck in my head. Because of the last video I made. If you've seen it, you should. I've been like kind of like on and off, like sick. I had the big meet and I got real busy. And I didn't put a lot of videos up on the channel for a minute there. But you know what sucks is like when you finally throw up like a video. It's been a little bit, and you throw up like a video that you worked really hard on. It's just like, nope, sorry, because you're not daily uploading. YouTube algorithm is going to right in the I guess for the non-patrons, it's gonna be stinky for you. Like the views are just shit, man. So if you haven't seen it, because we have, you know, you might not have, you should go check out we had our big ass ride, our spring break ride, and if you were in a position where you could have come and you didn't, I hope you watch it and then are filled with massive regret. It'd be nice to park right out here on the street if I can find a spot, but then that's like when I gotta find a spot. It's right there. That's where it is. Okay. It's like motorcycle parking to me, man. Lock the steering so it's extra secure. That way they have to break my frame on top of stealing a bike, so even if I get it back, it's definitely f***ed. This place doesn't take appointments. You have to show up.
What do y'all think? Do I look less hobo-y now? Let's get the hair out of here. Oh, my bike's still there. It hasn't been stolen. That's a good thing. All right, let's go buy a GoPro. I was just out spending money. I do look good, don't I?
Why don't you make like a tree and... Oh, watch out! Oh, wow. Wow. And shift. Jake, you didn't use the clutch! You're going to break your bike! It's broken right now. Look at that. I don't want to keep coughing like that. Aw, you fucking snaky son of a bitch. Watch your... Come on, people don't have to do. Go home. You know your dog is like... in the carpet right now. You just get used to it, and then you don't notice that your carpet smells like anymore. That's up. That guy definitely knows who I am. that was like a very enthusiastic. What's up? Watch this. Good day, Bubs. How you doing? What's up? I am doing a video. You want to be in my video? What's your name? What's it? Nick? What's up, dude? Yeah. The 500? Yeah, those are fun, man. I'm going up here to Best Buy to buy a little hero session, I think. I need a camera. If you're bored, you come with me up here to Best Buy. I don't care. Oh, I got someone coming with me now. Is that your first bike?
Yeah, that's my first bike.
You went with a 500 instead of the 300? That's a better idea, dude. You could totally start on one of those. That park here, I don't think they'll care. Filming in Best Buy. What do you think, Bubs?
Oh, this is intense right now.
Did you expect to be doing this today?
No.
I think that's the one. The little square doohickey.
Oh yeah.
Nick, can you go break this case? Because I don't know how else we get into this thing. We've been helped out here. Oh, this gentleman could probably help us.
Okay.
I need to buy things. What's going on?
Okay, I think I know who you are.
Do you?
I think so.
Who am I?
You're Jake, right?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I've just seen you can join our. He just caught me at the traffic light.
That's awesome.
So we need you to go ahead and just quit. Come with us. We're gonna make a convoy. See how many people we can find.
Yeah, that's cool.
I need the little session, the little one.
The 5 session?
Yeah, the little cube. Beard trimmed. I don't look hobo-y anymore.
You and bottle of water?
So you gonna join our convoy?
Yeah, we got you already.
This is gonna be it.
That's all. Yeah. What's up, man? Oh yeah. It's got the one button start. That's what it is. This battery's not, it's pretty dead, but I'll try to make it work. They come factory with the LEDs now. Aw, snap, dude. Oh my God. You got the Yosh. You should got the Jake too, bros. But that's cool, man.
Yeah.
It's a cool bike. Well, thanks for coming and BSing with me. It's so funny. More and more people kept walking up. What's up? What's up? My Facebook is just reposting of Instagram at this point, but I do put events up there. But if you follow my social medias, you'll see whenever we do like a meet.
Instagram. Do you have one?
It's Jake _ TheGardenSnake. Yeah. Just, if you follow that, come out to the meets, hang out, man, have some fun. What kind of super motor would you get if you get one?
Oh, I don't even know, man. I don't even.
You don't know?
Yeah.
The old DRZs are always solid. Solid.
Yeah.
A little heavy, a little outdated, but they just work. Do you want to buy a WR450?
Yeah.
Do you? A little $5 grand. You can get 2 rims with it. All right, hit me up now. Well, it's good meeting you, dude.
Meet you too.
It's fun, man.
All right. Yeah, check it out. That doesn't look half bad there. This is one last year. I just could not get to work as a main camera, but as a B camera, I think it could work just fine. Is it going? Yep. I don't think we can use too much of this because the battery's super low on this thing, but that looks really clean right there, doesn't it? I feel like that's mostly aiming at me. I'm not even sure if it's in super view or what mode it's in yet. I'll have to mess with it later, update the firmware. Well, I got a little bit of a ride now. I got to go to a place and maybe look at some motorcycles. But anyway, where do you plug the things in? I think I like pop the door off because I'm probably going to do, since this has got an internal battery, is put another one of my, like, maybe not as big as this one, but maybe a little mini battery down here into the screen and run a little wire up into this thing. My main camera right now with a 64 gigabyte card and this hilarious battery on here, I can max the SD card out like multiple times before I'd ever kill this battery. Seems like there's some potentials in there that can work out. That was my birthday the other day. Whoever could leave me the most ridiculous birthday comment, I'll send you something. Where the hell am I? Mona Lisa Pizza. You know, me and the kids are gonna go on down to Mona Lisa Pizza, having some breadsticks. You know, we have to get Billy his own pizza every time we go there because how he wants it. Nobody wants their pizza like that. And then he don't even want to have it leftover. Why? When you commented on me, why do you? Oh God! All right. Well, I'm gonna insert my phone and run off the road now, like Walterific. I can't put Jake in as a tag in my videos because all it wants to do is suggest Jake Paul. I was Jake before you were Jake. You little shit. By the way, while I was in that dealership, several people also recognized me. I should have got that on camera. Some guy just bought a new bike. Well, it would be funny if that was him. Oh, is that you? What's up, dude? Think sounds good, dude. That's fun. It's been a fun day. It's warm out. People are riding motorcycles, buying motorcycles, saying what's up to Jake. Blowing my ego through the roof. Giving me a big old ego. I'm gonna sign out here. Riding into the sunset, kind of. It's still up there a bit, but you know, just pretend. And you all take it easy.